Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 887 Old Vineyard Road overlooking beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is the perfect hilltop country retreat on over 1.3 acres for exceptional privacy.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is one-floor open country living with a spacious white and bright kitchen with a granite countertop breakfast bar, open to a dining area with a picture window, and a vaulted ceiling living room with deck access, all with scenic views of Bear Hill and Canandaigua Lake. This home also features 2 bedrooms, one big enough for a king bed and a full bathroom, plus great closet space for storage.
Enjoy million-dollar views of Canandaigua Lake from your own entertainment-sized deck. This peaceful and private setting is situated on over 1.3 acres with breathtaking views. Nearby is Fine Valley Beach and boat launch. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 887 Old Vineyard Road overlooking Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!